Well, look at this. This is that. It just started. And it hasn't been raining for not even an hour. Look at that. Going right into our weight room. Right underneath our brand new floor. Alright, I'm gonna go upstairs and get some. I gotta go upstairs and get some. Look at that. It's coming out of this hole too.
That's odd.
Jesus. And it's coming out of the ground right here. It's coming out of the ground. Look at this. It's just seeping through the ground right here. Oh my God! Ben! Oh my goodness. The poor wrestling room. Oh my goodness. It's going right into the wrestling room. Holy cow, there's a bunch of noise coming from there. It's all, whoa, 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 whoa. What is this horse shit? What is this horse shit? It's a fucking river. Oh no. Oh no. No way. No way. No way. There's 2 inches of water in the wrestling room. I gotta go find somebody about this.